Today's a special day. It's my birthday, but more importantly, my buyer just went under contract today to build this new home at Encore Streamside by David Weekley Homes in Waxhaw, North Carolina, which is about 30 minutes south of uptown Charlotte. Encore at Streamside is a 55-plus community. David Weekley is building 322 homes here. All-in pricing starts in the 500,000s for a single-story home. Amenities were very important to my buyer. Streamside offers a beautiful clubhouse with a full-time lifestyle director, swimming pool, pickleball courts, walking trails, and ample green space. Now, the monthly HOA fee is $300, which covers all the amenities and all of your lawn care. Encore offers you the opportunity to purchase an inventory home or the opportunity to pick your lot and structural and design options and build from the ground up for a custom home experience. The model my buyer chose is called the Vibrant. Let's take a look inside. So, what do you think of Encore at Streamside? Please leave me a comment, and I'd appreciate it if you would like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next new construction tour. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.